I'll guide you through how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And please guys, watch the video carefully and do exactly what I'm going to do to avoid any error. Now let's get started. Now first of all, you need to log in into your Google Chrome and ensure that you've logged in using any Gmail account. As you can see here, I've logged in using this Gmail account. So once you've logged in using any Gmail account, you'll go to the search and search for Gmail generator. Then you will click on the first link right here and ensure that you've clicked the correct link. So just click on the first link here. Then it will bring you to this interface. Now you'll just click on sign in at the top right corner. Then it will bring you here. Now after you've logged in, you just need to go back. Just click on back. Then you will remove this generator here. Then you need to enter the Gmail that you've signed in this website. So I'm going to do that. Then click on generate. So as you can see guys, with just only one click, we've generated 32768 Gmail accounts. So you can copy these Gmails and paste it somewhere safe where you can be using them. You can paste them either in your WhatsApp inbox or even in your Gmail inbox or in Notepad. Just copy them and paste them somewhere safe. So once you've done that, you can use any of these Gmail to create accounts. You can pick any Gmail here and use them to create any account. So I'm going to create Facebook account using one of the Gmail here to prove that indeed these Gmails really work. So I'm just going to open Facebook. Then we'll click on create new account. I'm going to pick one of the Gmail here. Let's say this one. I'll copy it. Then I'll come and paste it here. Then I'll create a new password. Then click on sign up. Now we are going to enter the Gmail address here. We're just going to paste it there. Then click on send login code. So the code has been sent to this Gmail address. Then there's something that I need to tell you guys, that the inbox for all these Gmails here, is only one inbox, which is the inbox for this Gmail. So this is your primary Gmail account, and all messages that will be sent to any of this Gmail will come to this email. So we'll need to go to the inbox of this Gmail to pick the code and come and paste it here on Facebook. So I'm just going to that Gmail. So I'll just go to this Gmail address here and open it, and I will find the code which has been sent there. So I'll just open the Gmail. Then as you can see guys, the code has been sent to this email. So I'm just going to copy this code here and I'll paste it here. Then I'll click next. Then continue. So as you can see on the top right here, the Facebook account has already been created using the Gmail that we've generated from here. So the inbox for all these Gmails is one, which is your primary email. So this is your primary email where all the messages will come to. So you can use all this email, any of this email, to create accounts in any website that you want or in any social media. So that's it guys, that's how you can simply create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number. And if this video has helped you out, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.